So this is the optical sensor from THORLABS. It's an S120C, and I've encased it in a 3D printed enclosure here with a rubber bumper, and it's suspended in a silicone membrane there, and that's to help absorb the shock in case it gets dropped. It's got a screw-on cover. It's pretty nice. Seems like very good quality equipment. And it's been reported that, maybe a little sensitive to being dropped or shock. So I wanted to try and protect it, so I 3D printed this enclosure. And it's also nice because it's a little wider base and it's going to sit down on a table better, or the surface that you're working on. Before you had to sort of hold it, but now it's a little more stable. And it also comes with a response sheet here, calibration, showing its response, output versus wavelength, and a certification of its performance. Again, it's the S120C, made by THORLABS.